Gang. What's cracking with y'all, man? What's popping, man? Welcome back, gang. Welcome back. Y'all already know what's up, man. This is Mess Free Podcast now. As y'all notice, I changed the name, you feel me? Yes, and I am the host, Zohan, aka Karnage Slaughter, aka whatever y'all know me as, gang. But anyway, let's get into it, man. Now, yesterday I did a short. Yesterday, and they had my little brother in there, man. And I was laughing because I was talking about the Glock Dookie with him, and he brought up this mentioning of Glock selling horse sperm. I don't know where it came from. He just mentioned it. It was funny, hella funny. At the end of the day. So I had to ask him the question in the video. I said, so look, would you rather get hit with the Glock Dookie, or would you rather somebody splash your ass with the horse sperm, the Glock horse sperm? You know what I'm saying? The nigga said, I'm going the Glock way. I'm going the Glock way. And it was so funny. So, I didn't believe it. I'm like, wait, hold on, Glock selling sperm, gang? They really selling sperm? And it blew me. I said, there is. He said, yeah, bro. Go look at this shit. It hit the news, it hit the papers everywhere, whatever, whatnot. Little bro, he be into that papering too. Like he be on his research too. He look it up, he find it. He a gun expert too, also. So it sort of came across him in that path, So I'm like, okay, let me check this out, right? And I want to show y'all. Let me see. I'll present it. So at the end of the day, let's see. Let's see, man. And I'm like, I know this guy got to be kidding. So I look it up. You know what I'm saying? I go to it. Fuck that. I'm gonna pull up the what's the name. We're gonna go to the site so we can see it, because it tripped me out. I'm like, what the hell is Glock going selling horse sperm for? I don't even get it. Like, who's buying the horse sperm from Glock? I can actually bet it's probably millions of people that are bought some from their ass. I don't know why. I don't know what you're gonna use it all. You know what I'm saying? What the hell y'all finna do with it, gang? What you gonna do? Grease the bullets up and grease the Glock up with the horse sperm and blow a nigga down? They got Glock stallions. Bro, it says they got Glock stallions, Glock perfection, Glock stallions. Wait, when in goddamn did Glock start selling horse semen? It say Glock stables and their horses. Glock isn't just firearms. Whoa, so they selling horse. Glock stallions. Glock is well known as a gun manufacturer. What less known is that they also sell horse semen. What? Hold on, big dog. Now, Glock, bring your ass to the. Hold on, man. What the hell is really going on? Bring that ass here, boy. Come to the front of the goddamn congregation, man. Because this shit is crazy. Okay, Glock stallions. Glock is well known as a gun manufacturer. What's less well known is that they also sell horse semen. Okay, so for what? For what? Oh, they crazy, gang. So who the hell is buying that shit, man? Who and why? Why is they buying that, gang? Why is they buying that? So as we seen it, I'm like, what the? I was shocked, gang. So I had to show my viewers that, and I'm like, dog, what do y'all think? You know what I'm saying? Mess free family, what y'all think? I think this is one of the weirdest things, man. I think it's one of the weirdest things. It's crazy, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Comment in the comment section. If you seen my short, that's what my short was about with my little brother in there. We was discussing that, and now I see he wasn't lying. They selling the Glock semen. Like, for what, gang? They got Glock horses. I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't know. Just stick to guns, Glock. Y'all do better. All right. Anyway, gang, I love y'all, man. Y'all make sure y'all take care. Stay safe. Stay out the way, gang. I am gone.
bitch, niggas better ante up or elevate. I need 6-figure money, won't hella bucks and hella cake. Fuck boy, I been on dummy, shooting hella ops, make them a day. If not him, then kill his mama, make him feel his wrath in the hella way. Hydro shocks with his eye, make through his chest, watch as they swim away. I don't stop shooting till you down in your last breath and then I skid away.